14 months ago, if you told me how this whole rebuild was going to pan out, I don't think I would have remotely believed you. I mean, I just don't think I had it in me to tackle such a big job. I only now realise, whilst maintaining a full-time job, a project like this really takes a lot out of you. I mean, you lose your social life, you tend to burn the candle from both ends and be sleep deprived, and financially, you're living paycheck to paycheck with the hope of just maintaining the build. But sometimes, we put ourselves in these positions with a vision in mind. And for me, that's to one day overland the globe in my Rangie.